Singing someone's praises, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, sing one's praises. Stick around to find out what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Let's dive into the melody of English expressions together. When someone sings your praises, they are not actually singing a song about you. Instead, this phrase means to speak highly or express admiration about someone else's achievements or qualities. It's like giving someone a verbal pat on the back for something wonderful they've done or for being an outstanding person. This expression is often used in both personal and professional contexts. The phrase, sing one's praises, has a literary and historical origin, dating back centuries. It derives from the times when poets and musicians would compose songs or poems to honor heroes, gods, or influential people in society. These odes were a form of praise and admiration, celebrating their deeds and virtues. Over time, this literal singing evolved into the metaphorical phrase we use today. Incorporating sing one's praises into your speech is a fantastic way to express appreciation or admiration for someone. Here are a few examples to help you understand its usage better. After the project's success, the whole team was singing the manager's praises. "I can't help but sing your praises to everyone. Your artwork is truly remarkable." At the retirement party, colleagues took turns singing her praises, reflecting on her impactful career. Remember, using such expressions not only enriches your language but also makes your appreciation more impactful. That's all for today's episode on singing someone's praises. We hope this video has illuminated this charming phrase for you and inspired you to spread positive vibes by acknowledging the good in others. Don't forget, recognizing and vocalizing someone's achievements is a powerful way to connect and uplift those around you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content soon. Happy learning!